And now to present the award for Outstanding Technical Achievement, please welcome Joseph Varghese from Tata Consultancy Services.
This award celebrates individuals who have made significant contributions to their field through innovation and pushing the boundaries of what is achievable. Their technical expertise has positioned them as trailblazers and recognized thought leaders within their industry. This year, there was one individual the judges felt who rose above all other nominations for his technical achievements, which is why we are proud to present the 2024 Tekne Award for Outstanding Technical Achievement to Shantanu Sarkar, Distinguished Scientist and Back-In Fellow at Medtronic. Shantanu.
Shantanu Sarkar, a senior distinguished scientist and technical fellow at Medtronic, developed atrial fibrillation detection algorithms for the Link-2 cardiac monitor, benefiting over 2 million patients in over 60 countries. He also pioneered heart failure risk score algorithms, impacting 5 million patients globally. With 60 U.S. patents and numerous publications, Shantanu has earned Medtronic's highest technical honor for his groundbreaking work in cardiac rhythm management, setting new industry standards.
Thank you, Joseph, and congratulations to Shantanu. And now to introduce the Rising Star Award, please join me in welcoming to the stage from Thrivent, its Vice President of Commercial Operations Technology, Kevin Beckenstedt.
The Rising Star Award recognizes promising individuals who are early in their tech careers with less than 10 years of experience and who have already made remarkable contributions, demonstrated exceptional potential within their technology area. These finalists are being recognized for their talent, creativity, significant accomplishments, and potential to shape the future of their respective fields. And the finalists are
Kaylee Hayden, Principal Research Scientist at Medtronic, has led key cardiac therapy innovations with 3 patents granted and 9 pending. She plays a pivotal role in Medtronic's largest R&D program, designing next-generation pacing platforms and collaborating with international physicians. A dedicated mentor through Medtronic's Women in Science and Engineering program, Kaylee's leadership is set to impact hundreds of thousands of lives in cardiac care over the next decade.
Tali Niedenfer is a process development and clinical applications engineer at Minitronics, leading initiatives like the development of the Mind's Eye Deep Brain Access Port. She played a key role in establishing 2 clean rooms, enabling 12 new medical device projects. Tali also founded the Green Team, securing a $25,000 sustainability grant, and mentors women in engineering, making her a rising star in tech.
Mariana Verdugo, new product introduction engineering manager at Collins Aerospace, leads a team developing avionics sensor manufacturing processes. In just 5 years, she advanced from engineer to manager, earning the SEMI 20 Under 30 Award and Collins Aerospace Wings of Excellence recognition. A role model for young Hispanic women in STEM, Mariana serves on the Code Savvy board and mentors early career professionals through Collins' Next Gen Group making her a rising star in aerospace.
Carrie Wright, data scientist at Seagate, has led AI ML projects generating $42 million in 3 years. She plays a key role in deploying AI models across Seagate's global factories and co-authored a research paper with Google. A Deep Learning.AI Bootcamp Scholarship recipient, Carrie mentors young professionals, advocates for women in tech, and leads Seagate's Image Value Center, positioning her as a rising star in Minnesota's tech community.
And the Tekne Award goes to Kaylee Hayden and Mariana Verdugo.
Congratulations, Kaylee and Mariana, our rising stars. More applause for them. Wishing you well in your careers. And now presenting the awards for Tech Educator of the Year. Please welcome to the stage Jen Simon of Proficient and Taylor Brandt of RSM.
Hello. I'm going to go off script for 1 second because we need to actually celebrate the fact that Steve Buchanan got to receive an award with his son on stage, and this is in fact how we inspire the next generation. The Tech Educator Award celebrates educators who have helped advance the field of technology education in Minnesota in such a way that their impact reaches beyond just the students they directly serve. Award submissions were made on behalf of nominees to recognize and celebrate their remarkable achievements, innovative teaching methods, and the impact on the field of technology education.
We have 2 honorees this year to represent, one representing K through 12 education and the other working on higher education. Alexander Holter and Rajiv Bukharali. Let's learn a bit about each of them now.
Dr. Rajiv Bukharali, Associate Professor at Minnesota State University, Mankato, developed the Master of Science in Data Science program, the fastest growing in the state system. He oversees 4 master's programs and mentors over 120 graduate students. Dr. Bukharali founded DREAM, an award-winning student organization, and created STEM Ready, a summer program for underrepresented students. He also chairs the Midwest Undergraduate Data Analytics Competition, impacting data science education regionally.
Dr. Alexandra Holter, K-12 Computer Science and CTE Coordinator for Bloomington Public Schools, leads computer science programs across multiple schools and high school pathways. An active member of the Computer Science Teachers Association, she builds partnerships with organizations like Target and U.S. Bank to support teacher development. Dr. Halter advocates for expanding computer science access statewide and has secured grants and presented at numerous conferences promoting STEM education.
Please
Please join us in honoring the outstanding work of Alexander Holter and Rajiv Bukharali.
Congratulations, Dr. Holter and Dr. Bukharali. I thank you for all that you do. Now, here to present the Public Service Excellence Award, please welcome Cy Morton of Robbins Kaplan.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Happy to be here tonight to announce our penultimate award. This award recognizes elected officials or those working in public agencies for their contributions towards building a stronger future for Minnesota. Individuals are recognized for their personal and professional commitment to supporting our technology industry, bolstering the potential economic contributions of tech-enabled businesses, and helping foster a thriving technology ecosystem in Minnesota. And now, because I know you all came here to the Tekne Awards to watch a lawyer give an award to a politician, this year's recipient of the Tekne Award for Public Service Excellence is Representative Steve Elkins for leveraging his tech background to drive a more informed and effective public policy.
Representative Steve Elkins, elected to the Minnesota House in 2018, represents Western Bloomington and authored the landmark 2024 Minnesota Consumer Data Privacy Act, which passed with broad bipartisan support. Known for his collaborative approach, he incorporates feedback from all stakeholders. With over 25 years of IT experience, including a decade at Optum Health, Elkins leverages his expertise on the state's Technical Advisory Commission to shape technology-focused legislation.
And please welcome to the stage from District 50B in West Bloomington, Steve Elkins.
Congratulations, Representative Elkins. We thank you for your service to our state and for your leadership in the House of Representatives. All right, we're going to end our evening with the Career Achievement Award. And now to introduce the 2024 recipient, please welcome to the stage Jamie Thingelstad, Chief Technology Officer at SPS Commerce.
Good evening. Tonight I have the unique honor of introducing not just a remarkable business and community leader, but someone that I've had the honor of working with for a decade as CTO of SPS Commerce. Archie Black led SPS Commerce from a small Minneapolis software company to the world's retail network that today employs over 2,400 people and serves more than 105,000 customers worldwide. What truly sets Archie apart isn't just those results, though. leading a successful IPO, driving 95 quarters of consecutive growth, and making SPS Minnesota's most successful software as a service company is remarkable. But on top of all that is his ability to challenge those around him to reach higher while never losing sight of what matters most, our people and our customers. Archie leads with his values. I am a better leader today because of what I learned while working with Archie. His impact on Minnesota's technology community extends far beyond the walls of SPS Commerce. Archie unfortunately cannot be with us tonight due to a long-standing commitment that he had, but he did want to express his gratitude for tonight's honor in this short video.
A special thank you to the Minnesota Technology Association. Thank you, Mr. Jeff Tollefson and Jamie Thingelstadt, for recognizing me with this award. I'm extremely humbled, really, to be recognized by the tech community leaders, which I'm really excited about the future of technology in the state of Minnesota. 23 years ago, Jim Fromey and I took over a bankrupt company in SPS Commerce, and really through all the support of our community, all the support of the good work that had been before us on the tech platforms in Minnesota, have been able to build what we believe is a lasting company in Minnesota. I'm super excited for the future of technology in Minnesota, and so hope all of you can continue this great tradition, and hopefully at least a few of you are going to build the next SPS Commerce. So with that, thank you very much for this award.
So please. An excellent tribute to my former colleague and coach, Archie, a visionary leader who taught us all that great business and great culture go hand in hand.
Just accept it, Jamie. It's okay. You can do it. Yeah. Thanks, Jamie, and congratulations to Archie. Wow, we're in the home stretch. It's been great. And I'm just so happy, Angela, that you have graced us with your presence tonight. You have been an amazing MC. Let's give a round of applause for the amazing Angela Davis.
Thank you.
I want to thank you so much, not just for only being a terrific Tekne host, but all that you do on NPR to really shine a light on the people and the issues that really impact our state. So you're a true community asset, and we're so happy you were here tonight with us.
Thank you. Don't let anybody tell you that there aren't any good stories to tell. There's so many I heard tonight, and I look forward, as a journalist, having an opportunity over the next year to tell a lot of the stories of the award recipients and the nominees. And it's just been so inspiring to see you all as an industry support one another, celebrate one another, but also reach back and devote time and energy to the next generation of our future technologists. So thank you for the gift of being in the room tonight, and I'm just excited and happy for all of the honorees. So thank you.
Thank you. But the celebration is only beginning, and thanks to our host, Digineer, we've got a great after party next door in Ballroom B. So we really invite everybody to come congratulate our Tekne Award finalists and winners, take a picture by the Tekne 2024 backdrop, and just connect with one another as the celebration continues. So, and for those that can't stay, thank you for joining us tonight. Safe travels home, and we hope to see you next year at the next Tekne Awards celebration. So let's go next door.